welcome to My Home Hub. If you're thinking about upgrading your outdoor lighting and security at the same time, this might be one of the most practical all-in-one options I've tested. Today I'm installing and reviewing the Reolink TrackFlex Wi-Fi floodlight camera, a hardwired unit that combines security and lighting in one. I needed to replace my old outdoor floodlight and wanted something that could handle both lighting and security in a single setup. Reolink kindly sent me this TrackFlex model, which looked like a practical upgrade with a built-in camera. Straight out of the box, you get the camera unit, mounting hardware, and everything you need for installation. It feels pretty solid and clearly built for outdoor use. Because this is a hardwired unit, installation is more involved than a simple plug-in camera. In my case, I was replacing an existing floodlight, so it suited the location perfectly. If you're comfortable with basic electrical work, it's manageable, but if not, it's worth getting an electrician. This camera has the option of being wall mounted or overhang mounted, with instructions included for both methods. Before mounting the camera, download the Reolink app, which you can do via the included QR code. Plug in the included USB-C cable and connect it to the camera to set up the network and pairing process. The app and setup is very straightforward, and Reolink guides you through the pairing process, and from there you can manage updates and adjust camera settings to your liking.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
The camera supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which gives you more flexibility depending on your network. And for storage, you can insert a micro SD card up to 512 GB into the camera, or connect it to an NVR, NAS or FTP server or a Reolink home hub. That gives you flexibility whether you want a simple setup or a more advanced system with backups and multi-device access. Alternatively, you can pay for the Reolink cloud service, but that's totally up to you. I used the existing drill holes I had from my previous floodlight to mount the camera, so I didn't need to use a masonry bit to drill any new holes into the brick. There's even a built-in spirit level for even installation. Like I said before, if you're comfortable with basic electrical work, it's manageable, but if not, go and grab an electrician or it's at your own risk. The cover snaps on in a downward position and then the screws hold it in place. And once installed, it's just a matter of turning on the mains power and adjusting the floodlights to your desired position. One of the standout features of this camera is the dual lens design. You get a wide view and a zoomed in view at the same time. Both lenses capture high resolution footage, so you're getting clear overall view and detail. It also has a 6x hybrid zoom, which is useful if you want to check faces, number plates, pets, or just get a clearer look at the movement around your property, like this little guy. Another feature I like is the out of view detection. If motion happens outside the current frame, the camera can pivot to follow it, giving you a better chance of capturing what's going on. And the AI detection is another strong point. It can distinguish between people, vehicles, and animals, which helps reduce unnecessary alerts and keeps notifications more relevant. My yard is relatively small, but this still gives me solid coverage of the perimeter and can even follow activity beyond the fence, which is very useful. The AI video search also makes a big difference. You can quickly find events like people, vehicles, or animals, and it shows you only the relevant clips instead of having to scrub through everything to find them. And the floodlight is another major highlight. It's rated up to 3000 lumens, and in real use that's more than bright enough for a backyard like mine. You can also adjust the brightness and colour temperature from warm to cool depending on your preference. It works like a regular floodlight most of the time, but when motion is detected it can switch into security mode, turning on the lights and sending alerts based on your settings. For deterrence, it doesn't just rely on the floodlight, it also has a built-in siren, and you can also create your own voice warning message in the app. The camera is also IP66 weather rated, so it's built to handle outdoor conditions year round, which in Melbourne is needed for our usual 4 seasons in one day. If you're using a smart home setup, it works with Google Assistant, making it easier to check live footage or control the lights with voice commands. Overall, I think the TrackFlex is a smart option if you're looking for more than just a basic security camera. It combines strong lighting, active tracking, local AI search, and flexible storage in one unit. And for me, the biggest strengths are the dual lens setup, the pan and tilt coverage, out of view detection, the bright floodlight, and the fact that you don't need a subscription to access the main features. The main trade-off is that it's hardwired, so installation isn't as simple as a wireless camera. If you're already replacing the outdoor floodlight, it makes a lot of sense as an upgrade. I'll leave links in the description where you can check out this model along with Reolink's interactive website and any current offers. This model comes with a 2-year limited warranty, and there are also many more features to this camera which I haven't covered in this video. If you found this review helpful, consider liking, subscribing and sharing the video. And as always, thanks for visiting my home hub, and happy Reolink.